Star Trek, the Resin Generation, a galactic crafting log from the USS Epoxy Prize. Captain's log, stardate 0305.25. Welcome to Grandma Kathysartventure. Today we're doing a galaxy tray for Star Trek. Let's go! As we initiate into our first pour, a shimmering haze of benevolence by TLP will spread across the tray as our first layer. We will let that cure and come back, and we'll put on these neon planets and some white paint sprinkled around for some stars. This second layer is going to have some orange in the center for a cosmic starburst or sunburst, whatever we want to call it. We're going to let that cure, and we added some more planets and some silver glitter. For this third level, we're going to use a blue-green by Sigwon and 2 TLP mica powders, Afterglow and Deja Vu, and see what kind of a cosmic glow we can get with these. The playlist for this awesome collaboration that goes for 3 days. There's lots of wonderful artists in it, and I will leave the playlist in my description down below. Please check everybody out. Engage the heat gun. Oh, we might need the big boy for this one. So we're going to engage the other heat gun. There it is, the big guy. The mission on this layer was to make those colors look cloudy, give us a beautiful galaxy effect without covering the planets. And as you see, I was covering the planets. I was working hard to cloud those colors up without covering the planets, but I didn't mind some of it going over the planets, but I wanted to be able to see them still. So it was a work in progress, just like I am a work in progress. This was my first time ever trying to do these kinds of layers where you have to blow the resin around, and I really had a lot of fun with it. I definitely want to try it again. I learned that you have to have some heat on your heat gun. But it was fun, and I like the 3D results of it. Engage the heat gun. So as you see, I added stars and moons to the handles. I felt like it made it look a little more cosmic. And here we have a close-up. So you could, I was trying to show you how three-dimensional it looks. So I'm pretty happy with it. And then I realized like all of these are neons. Well, not all of them, but my planets are neons. And some of the mica powder is. So I thought, well, what's it look like under a black light? So I ended up taking it in the room, turning the lights out, turning on the black light, so I could see what it looked like with that. And here we go. Let's give a big shout out and applause for It's Art by Donna, because if it wasn't for her, none of us would be here. This is her 5th year of having this collaboration, and we all thank you so much, Donna. I love you. It's the end. Beam me up, Scotty. Beam me up, Scotty. Hurry, hurry. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next one.